Greetings, technology enthusiasts. I am Chandrahas and I am delighted to be here with you representing CyberBrainer. Do you not believe that the technology sector is advancing at an unprecedented rate, making this an opportune moment to acquire the skills that will facilitate your progress? With CyberBrainer, we are empowering you to take control of your own future. At CyberBrainer, we do not merely impart your interests. We assert that information is power, yet it is the application of knowledge that distinguishes you. Our courses are meant to equip you with essential skills, whether you are pursuing data science, understanding artificial intelligence, or delving into cybersecurity. Let us commence the session and seize the future today. Thank you.
I will now jump on to the other calculated fields. It is called as Lookup Related Value. Two calculated fields we have understood up till now. Now these two are used almost every day. If you are building something, you need a condition. You need to extract the value on certain condition. The third one is searching. Lookup Related Value calculated fields. What do you understand by lookup? Can any one of you help me understand the meaning of lookup? I just said as well, it is basically searching. Now, if you're searching something, why are you searching it? There must be some logic behind it. Everything that we do, there has to be a reason behind it. If I am searching something, which means there is a logic behind that. It says lookup related value. The related basically means that it is looking up all some values with some conditions. If I say based on the job profile, can you get me all the active job profiles in the tenant? Then what will you do? Based on the job profiles, please search all the active job profiles which is there in the tenant. Can we search it? Let's see. Let me go in that, edit it, but I have to first create a calculated field. The task is same, create calculated field. Whenever we have to create a field, whether it is any calculated field, I have to use this same task. The task is not going to change. I'm putting some spelling mistake. No, it is there. This is my task. The task field name, I'll say Vidalsem underscore CF underscore. And what is that? Lookup related value element. Business object. Let's put it on worker. Function. It will search lookup related. See lookup related value. The function is there, I just have to use it. Now it says lookup field. Basically, it is asking for the condition that on what condition you are trying to pick the value. I can use the field here. What was this field? This was also condition only. Let's see. See, I have used this field because this is the actual name. If I have to search for this field, I cannot put job profile. Guys, don't do that. It is coming from job profile, and what values can be returned on that basis. You will see a lot of values which is there. I can pick everything from here. See, I said all active job profiles. Well, there could be thousands of job profiles. It might, make our report run very slow, but that's fine. Let's try to use it in the report. Let's see if it works. There could be a possibility that it gives me multiple values, maybe in thousands. But we'll wait. I have got ESLB. And I'll just override it with all active job profiles, otherwise it will be very difficult to understand. Click on and run it. Now what happened? I'll run it again. I don't know. Looks like I clicked on something. It come here. See, it is taking too much of time. Let's use something else. Otherwise, this data source that we have used, it is not giving us the value. That's the reason. This is causing the problem. You saw that when you don't have optimized report, what kind of notifications you will get. What we will do, we will not use this. No. Activeor will search that wireless_c. _lab. This was our calculator. We'll have to change the logic of it. I'll try to search something else. Active job profiles. There are too many. Let's edit the return value. I'm not going to search this active all active. We'll search something which is relevant. For example, let's say I'll choose something like compensation grade profile. Not everybody would be using compensation grade profile. Some of the users will have only the compensation grade profile. What we can do, we can click on now. And we can run it. You see there could be multiple grade profiles. Do you see that? The value is all active job profile. Don't worry about that, that is just overridden. The name is different. But these are all active compensation grade profiles. You seeing that? For people, those who have not had the value getting it. These are the three fields which is very relevant. We use almost every day. Thank you much everybody for joining. I will see you tomorrow. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.